In this video, let us understand how to make online library using ASP.NET with C# language and backend as a SQL Server. First, let's understand what is a library management. What are the options we can provide in this project? So this video basically for the students who wish to do an academic project. So we all know like you need to select a different topic in order to make the project. So library management is one such project. So because you all know the concept of library. So in case of library, so library will have the books. Student wants books. So now when you make it online, student can know like whether the particular book is available or not. Whether it's available or not. So it's available, then they can go to library and they can collect the particular book. And he can return and he can also check it out like what are the books he taken. Whether if some books are with him only, then you know like these are the books is collected, we need to return it back. Apart from this, so because this is online, so you can have multiple libraries too. So if a library 1, library 2, so you can collect the book from the any of the libraries. A lot of options can be provided over online. So here we'll show you like how we can do this project and what are the things we can add up in the different modules. So here we have two modules. So basically, so one is admin module, the other one is a student module. So in case of admin module, so these are the options which are provided. We can enter the course detail, what are the courses available in the college and the corresponding list, and the subject details. In each course, what are the subject that we can enter. Then new student details we can enter it here. Then book details. So this is important. All the books need to be entered via book details. Then this is the book issue. So you can issue the book to the student. Here it shows the book issued list. Then book return, when the student bring back the book, so we can collect it back. And if there is any fine collected, so this is the report to check the fine collected. On the other side, student side, book list, you can able to see all the books, what are the books are available, and books taken. If it's taken books, that list will come here. Then you can also check for the book availability. So these are three options which are provided in the student side. So therefore, it's very useful for all the libraries because the scope is very wide because there are n number of colleges, there are different colleges. So therefore, all the colleges can use this kind of application, online application. Here we have an entry level application, but when you go to real time, we can add up a lot of options over there. So therefore, all the colleges can use this kind of applications. So I'll show the demo now. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So here we are using Visual Studio 2019. So this is online library, and these are the files which are using in the project. The first one is default.txpx. So this is the design. So on the top there is a one picture and here is another picture. So here is a image button and bottom there is a one more picture. So if you go to source, then you can see the corresponding HTML code over here. And here you can see Server Explorer. So if you expand this, then you can able to see the tables. So these are the tables which are using in this particular project. Fine. First I'll show the demo for you. So if you need to run the project here, you have to click the run button. So we are using IIS here, Internet Information Server. So once it's running, you can see that there is an icon here. Right click and then go to library and then click on this. So it will take to the main page. So this is the default page. Here is the option to enter. So therefore two modules. One is admin module, other is a student login. When you click admin login, so it will take you to the login page here. And if you want to learn like how to make a login page, so we have separate videos. So please watch that video and then learn the basic code. How to make the connectivity to the database, what is the connection string, how to check the table, and how do we compare these values, what are the values we enter with the table, and if they are okay, if they are these values are present in the table, then only you need to allow. So all this is the different video. Please watch that video. I'll show you that video. And this one is concerned, these are the options. Okay, so here is a course list. So here we have BC and MCA, both courses are entered already. You want more courses, that you need to enter it here. Next is the subject detail. So what are the subjects student has to study in these particular courses, that all the subject you need to enter here. If you go to subject list, you can see that already so many subjects are there. Now if you want to enter one more subject, let's say you want to learn Java, so therefore you can say Java subject. So save this, and you have a message box here. You can clear this. That will go to list. Then is the admission list. If you go to student list, so BCA 1002 students are there. So you want to enter one more student, you have to go there here. So you can see BCA 1003, and then you can enter the name, address, so email ID, then the mobile number. So here is the course and what is the total course fees. Okay, so you have to take the course fees here. So we created one more user here. If you go to list, you can able to see them. Then book list, here you show the books, what are the books are available over there. So you have to enter more books, you have to go to books detail and you have to fill all the detail, and you need to select the subject. So all the details you have to enter, then you have to save the file. So this is the book issue, so where student will come and collect the book. So now you can see BCA 1003, this student want the book, that is CS 1001. This is the date and he is supposed to return on the 13th of March. Save, then it indicates that the student is collect the book. So here is a book issued list. It will show that what are the books are issued. That list will be shown here. Now what we'll do is we'll copy this main address and we'll take to new tab and then paste it here. So we'll take to the main page again. Now we can go to student login and we can log in here. So this is BCA 1003. Fine. So you can log in here. So you can able to log in. We can see the book list. What are the books are available? And here is the books taken. So now you can see that you have collected one book and you're supposed to return on this particular date. So the date is keep showing there. Then book availability. So you can check whether this book is available or not. So it's available. So then you check this book is not available because already collected. So therefore this book is not available. Fine. So these are the options which are available from the student side. Now you have to return the book. So when you go to return book, so you need to select the register ID and display. So the details will be shown here. So there is no fine for this. So save this. Record saved successfully. Fine collected. So there is no fine collected at this moment. But if you exceed the date, then the fine collected list will come. So there it will show the fine collected. So these are the options which are provided in this project. Fine. So now we'll see the some design. As I told already, we have to start with the default one. So this is the link which is provided. When you click this link, it will take to the default 2. So in the default 2, sorry, let me check where it goes. So this go to site main page, okay. So site main page. So here it is site main page. So this is admin login. So when you click admin login, it will take to the admin login page. So here is admin login page. So admin login page, this is the one. So here you have the user ID and the password. These are the validation controls. So if you don't enter any data, this will fire. When you click login, it logs in. So important, these two namespace you need to add additionally along with this. Then you have a connection string here. Then you need to query the database, particularly this table, admin user table. Check whether this particular user ID password is present. If read, it means that the record is present. So we'll have application variable. We are passing the variable. That means who logs in, that value will be stored in this application variable. And then we say response dot redirect admin main page. It should go to admin main page. Else you will give this message. So now if you go to admin main page, so here are the options. So each one is a hyperlink. So for hyperlink, you have a navigation URL. So you have to link each page. Okay. So this is the admin course page. Here is the admin course page. Fine. So this is the course. What is the course name? The corresponding details and the total semesters. And here is the validation control. When you click save and we return the code here. So to check whether this particular course is already present or not. So this is the code. So this is a select statement. What select statement will do? So it will check text box 1.text. What course name you enter, it will check whether this record is present or not. If dr.read means if there is a record, then means that so you don't need to enter it again, therefore the message box will come. If not, we'll go to insert statement and then we are going to insert the values, then we'll show the message box, then we clear the text boxes. In case of list, so we are using the grid here. So this grid we need to link to the data source. Once you link to the data source, then the data will be fetched from this particular table and will be displayed here. So also the SQL query here. So this is the SQL query. Select course name, course details, semester from customer names tab. So this is the table name. Okay. So therefore this is the provider connection string. So generally connection string will be declared in the web.config file. So here is the web.config file. You can see the connection string here. Right. So when you first time you link to the any grid, then connection string will be created automatically. Fine. So these are things you need to do step by step. So hope you understand the concept. Please try this. So if you have difficulties, let me know what are the difficulties. We also come out with new videos where we will teach you step by step how to do all these things and all. Keep watch our channel, keep subscribe so that you will get a maximum benefit. Thank you.